Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will create the bookmarklet now. Open your browser's bookmarks bar and choose New Bookmark. Title it so you remember the action. For the URL field, paste a minified JavaScript snippet that begins with JavaScript. Use an EIF or one-line function to avoid polluting pages. Once done, save the bookmark. This first step gets the tool in your browser. You need it placed before you can run or iterate on the code. Now you write and refine the JavaScript that runs from the bookmarklet. Prototype logic in the page console, test selectors, and DOM changes, then compress into a single expression. Wrap it in an immediately invoked function expression so you don't leak variables into the site. Escape quotes and remove new lines, or use encode URI component if embedding larger payloads. Once the code behaves in console, replace the bookmark URL with the final minified string and save. To finish, visit the page where you want the behavior and click the bookmarklet. It executes immediately in that tab. If nothing happens, open the developer console to read errors, since content security policy or mixed content can block execution. If CSB prevents inline script, consider a small remote loader or simplify DOM interactions. Make sure to keep an editable source copy outside the bookmark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.